Check out this new 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 18 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 24 on the highway. The Sierra 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the option package discount, GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, cobalt blue metallic, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, cocoa dune, cloth seat trim, engine, 5.3L EcoTech 3 with active fuel management, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled LED, SLE convenience package, SLE value package, tires, P265/65R18 all-terrain, white outlined leather, and the suspension package, off-road. Call 888-852-1606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.